Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews, and I got my I got an extension cord in stock. I got this delivered today. I got this delivered for my fish tank. I'm gonna use it for when I turn off all my I usually just hit the power switch and it turns off everything on my fish tank while I'm doing a water change. So instead I'm gonna run this extension cord from the outlet that's like 10 feet away from it. I'm going to run the extension cord inside my mixing bucket, so this way I can still have electricity and have water heated and mixing bucket and all that other stuff work when I turn off my fish tank. So this is what I got for that. So let's open it up. Let's see what we got. That's just what I plan to use it for. I don't know what you can use this for, whatever you want, but this is just a review of what I'm going to use it for. It should still help you with the same. So this is what the box looks like. Kind of, when I first opened it up, I thought it was like a GE. I was like, oh, is this GE? Because it looks like a, just like their lettering and stuff. When you buy stuff at Home Depot and stuff, it looks like their lettering. So I thought it was GE, but it is not. It is Cordinate is the name of it right here. It says on the top. Let's see if anything on the back. So this is what the back looks like. So you can pause that and see what that looks like. All right, so let's open it up. Has your instructions in there as usual. This says, I think I read it's good for 13 amps. So it's not good for 15 amps, so don't be running 15 amps through it, because it doesn't say it's made for 15 amps, even though it should be. That's why you paid extra money for a thick wire and everything. You would think it'd be good for 15 amps, but I'm pretty sure when I looked at the rating, it said 13 amps on the website, so you're not going to want to use 15 amps past this, because if you do, you're going to have a chance of melting something or shorting the breaker, or just causing damage to the appliance or whatever. It doesn't tell you on here that it's 13 amps, but I'm pretty sure that's what I read on the website, is that it is 13 amps. So this is how big it is. That's how big my hand is. This is how big it is. It comes with 3 plugs on one side. That's all you get. You get the 3 plugs on the one side. It has the little plastic inside, see? Little safety, child safety, so they can't stick something in there. Has that in there. I mean, I'm not going to need that, but for anyone else who's looking, it does come with the plastic in there, the safety guards. I don't know how well that works. If your kid is strong enough, they're still going to stick it in there, but for a baby, I guess it'll be fine. So here's what the plug looks like. See, the problem is that I'm coming out this way on mine, so I'm going to have a little bit of a problem. See how it plugs in? So it plugs in this way. So the cord comes out to the right, no matter what. Unless you are going to change your outlet and turn it upside down, it's going to come out the right no matter what. I need it to come out the left. I mean, you're just going to waste some space. I would rather it come out like this, but it's going to go like that. So it's a flat plug, as you can see. They give you a little cover on it. There's the cover. It's a 3-prong with a ground, and that's it. And a 10-foot cord. There's just 10 feet of cord they give you. And it's a braided cord. It's pretty thick. I mean, I'm bending it. It's pretty thick. It feels thick. See it? It feels pretty thick. That's why I thought it would have been rated for 15 amps, but it's not. It's only rated for 13. So just make sure you're not going to be running 15 amps through this thing, and you shouldn't have a problem. If you're going to be running 15 amps continually, you're probably going to damage it or melt it, and then it's definitely not going to be covered under warranty, because it's just going to melt the crap out of it. So just make sure, electric heaters run at 15 amps, hair dryers run at 15 amps sometimes. Just make sure you check your appliance and make sure it'll work with this, because these are 3 plugs combined 13 amps. You can't have 13 amps each plug, otherwise you're going to really cause a mess. So, and it feels pretty lightweight. It's not that, this is not commercial grade. This is not a heavy duty thing. This is just made for indoors, computer use. I'm going to have pumps in here that use 1 amp each, 2 amps, maybe the most. That's 2, 4, 6 amps. I'm not using more than 6 amps, so there's no way I'm not going to have a problem with this. All right, so that's the review of the extension cord that I got, the Cordinate, it's called. And hopefully that helped you out on your decision making, if you're going to get one or not. If you have any questions or comments about it, please post below. I'll try to get to them as quick as possible, and I'll answer any questions that you have, because I'll probably be using the product for about a week or two by the time I get this video on. So any questions or comments, like I said, post them below. Please subscribe. I'm always putting up reviews about products that I'm using and reviews about stuff, so it'll help you out with your decision making and spending your money. And that's it. Everyone have a great day. Glen Velvet Reviews is out. Have a good one. Bye-bye, everyone.